For thousands of years, this mysterious feline coexisted alongside humans, though it remained largely unknown to science. Only in 1776 did German naturalist Peter Pallas shed light on an unusual figure, a cat with small ears. This feline was given the Latin name Manel de Anibus Autocalo, translating to ugly ear. Though I find this rather amusing, its external appearance resembles a common domestic cat, perhaps one that took a blow to the head in the morning. This image is defined by its small, slightly flattened head with protrusions on the sides of its ears. The Manel's gaze conveys a sense of complete indifference to the world, devoid of surprise. Interestingly, it's incapable of meowing or purring. Upon considering the feline's sturdiness, we observe a genuine fur coat, possessing the longest and thickest coat among all members of the feline family. With less than 9,000 hairs per square centimeter, each hair reaches a length of 7 centimeters. This padded coat serves as protection on the frigid winter nights when temperatures can drop to -50 degrees. Such conditions are common as the Manel inhabits the harsh Asian steppes and slopes at altitudes of up to 4 kilometers. Of introverted nature, the Manel avoids not only interactions with humans but also with its own kind. This feline leads a solitary life and is promptly expelled from its territory by accidental neighbors. Despite its robustness, its mass is equivalent to that of a domestic cat weighing 35 kilograms, with its size being slightly over half of a fully domesticated Maine Coon. It's this peculiar character that defines it. The Manel displays dangerous yet endearing characteristics: intelligent, cunning, and reserved. To remain undetected, it constructs shelters in small caves, cracks in rocks, or beneath stones. It even makes use of old badger and fox holes as hiding places. Its camouflage is so impeccable that both its prey and predators often go unnoticed. However, not everything is perfect. This is the slowest and clumsiest of wild cats. Its speed is such that even a human can catch up to it. This places restrictions on its hunting abilities. Normally, the Manel focuses on hunting rodent-like creatures similar to rats. Occasionally, it has the luck of capturing squirrels or birds. When food is scarce, it may resort to an insect diet, including grasshoppers and crickets, which it consumes in significant quantities. Given its awareness of its own lack of speed, the Manel doesn't chase its prey. Instead, it prefers to hide its victim in a convenient spot and then attack unexpectedly, aided by its powerful rounded claws and its 30 sharp and sturdy teeth. Its swift reaction leaves little chance for the prey's survival. Eventually, the Manel ventures out for food in the morning, carefully surveying the surroundings before leaving its hiding place. It moves quietly, searching for rocks that could shelter a tasty meal. Its prey often includes unsuspecting birds, which fall victim to the predator. Once caught, escaping the cover is the next step, leveraging its camouflage that allows it to remain nearly invisible. However, hunting in winter becomes more challenging. Its short legs make navigating deep snow difficult, hindering its hunting efforts and leading it to spend much of winter in its shelter. As spring arrives, the Manel seeks a mate, marking the end of a solitary year. Despite territorial struggles that can result in violent confrontations, female Manels are just as determined, particularly when they have young to protect. With the mating ritual complete, the father leaves the female to care for the litter. After around 60 days, 2 to 6 kittens are born, which remain discreet and stay in the shelter while they grow under their mother's care. By 10 months of age, they become adults, venturing out to find their own territories. While still young, they indulge in play and abundant feasts, using items like insects as substitutes for toys. This discreet lifestyle has contributed to the mammal's survival over time. However, the current situation is far from favorable. This rare feline is on the brink of extinction in many regions. Its fluffy fur, though adorable, has made it a target for hunters. Illicit trade in its fur persists in defiance of bans, and it often falls victim to traps set for other species. Predators like wolves and owls also contribute to its high mortality rate. Additionally, the mammal possesses weaker immunity, a result of the frigid environment it inhabits where most bacteria cannot survive. Though the exact number of individuals is uncertain, the most recent estimates suggest that only about 3,000 of these rare mammals remain in Russia. Preserving this natural treasure requires immediate action and awareness to safeguard this rare gem of biodiversity.